Stop scrolling. You need dessert, but you don't need the guilt. These cosmic bars are the secret weapon. 100% vegan, 100% gluten-free, and 100% obsession-worthy. Let's make them. First, the crust foundation. It's dates, nuts, and oats. Super simple. Blend until it holds together, then press it into your pan. This base is everything. Make sure it's tight and tidy. Next, the creamy dream layer. Mix your smoothest peanut butter with maple syrup and coconut oil for that perfect set. Pour it, spread it, and get ready for the freezer. 10 minutes is all it takes to stabilize the good stuff. The magic cap. High-quality vegan dark chocolate, melted until silky. The secret to this viral mirror glaze shine? A drop of coconut or avocado oil. Pour slow, sprinkle fast with flaky sea salt, and back to the icebox until solid. Slice, serve, and watch your friends panic trying to figure out how something labeled vegan and gluten-free tastes this rich. These bars are the definition of modern dessert perfection. Full recipe steps are in the comments. Tag me when you try it.